Did you know that fuel system deposits can form in any vehicle during normal operation? The amount of the deposits and how quickly they form depends on your personal driving habits and vehicle's engine type. These deposits, such as carbon, can quickly build up on intake valves, fuel injectors, and combustion chambers, restricting the proper airflow of fuel and air, which reduces driving performance. Problems include a loss of power and performance, restricted air-fuel flow in the intake manifold. Fuel deposits can also cause drivability issues, such as rough engine idle and poor fuel economy. Depending on the condition of your vehicle, a trained technician will use specialized tools and cleaning products to perform one of the following services. A fuel induction service removes deposits from intake valves and combustion chambers by injecting special detergents through an intake port to dissolve carbon buildup. A fuel injector service removes carbon deposits found on the injector tips by running cleaners through the fuel rail to reach obstructed areas. A throttle body service uses a pressurized spray cleaner to quickly dissolve hard-to-reach deposits in the throttle body and intake surfaces. To complete the service, a concentrated fuel tank supplement can be added to continue removal of any residual buildup in the system. These services can restore engine performance, increase fuel efficiency, and reduce harmful emissions. Ask your service provider if your vehicle would benefit from a fuel system service today.